welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Today we're going to work on how to play the main riff of Scuttle Buttin by Stevie Ray Vaughan. So I'm playing on my Fender here using my supersonic Fender amp, and just a little crunchy here. I'm using the bridge pickup here for playing. So how does it work? First of all, it's all working with your middle finger, so I don't want to be rude, but you're going to use your middle finger the whole way there. That's how it sounds. Second thing, your picking will be super important for this riff here. So I'm going to start here on the third string, on the G string. I'm going to slide from the A to B, so fret 2 to 4. Okay, my middle finger. After, going to go down, open on the B string. After, up on the E string, first string. After, down on the B string. After, going to slide from 3 to 5. So. Slide again. And after, going to play first string open, up. So when I'm doing the slide from 3 to 5, up on with the first string, and then middle finger goes on string 2 fret 3, pull off. So the first part here. So you have to really mark that fourth. And just repeat it. Okay, so. And then we go on string 3 on the G string. From 2 to 3, we're going to slide. And slide back to 2. And pull off on the 0. So he's playing on the blue note. Okay, you can also, I sometimes use my pointer here. You'll probably see it in the video playing here. So I go really slowly here. So. Going on the E7 chord, but we're not playing the third. Okay, so pointer on string 4 fret 2, my ring finger on string 2 fret 3, my pinky on string 1 fret 3. And I'm going to play down, 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 up, down, down. So I'm playing with the low E, and after all this part of the chord. So I've seen a couple of videos where people are playing a little bit differently there, but that's how I'm going to play it. There's another song that's really cool to play, it's Wall of Denial, where this type of playing is super important there. So we have. And you play it second time. Third time there, we're going to go on to A7 after. So here, I'm doing a little bar on fret 2, string 4, string 3, and string 2. And I'm going to add my ring finger on string 1 fret 3. A7. Same thing, I'm hitting the root here on the A string, and down, 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 up, down, down. And I go back on the riff. Go back to E7. Then I go to B7. So B7, middle finger on string 5, fret 2, first finger on string 4, fret 1, third finger on string 3, fret 2, and your pinky goes on string 1, fret 2. Same thing, I'm hitting the root note here, so the B here is going to be on string 5, fret 2. And then go back to the riff. And back to the E 7. Okay? So. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson here. Don't forget to subscribe. That would be super fantastic for me. And I also have a Patreon, so patreon.com/DamianRoy Guitar Music Lessons. You'll find it in the link here if you want the tabs and everything there. Have a great day and enjoy the lesson.